First, you don't want your mud any thicker than what you can hold it on your pan, right? Like basically taping mud. You see I have a 6-inch knife here, because this is 6 inches wide. It helps one stroke you can load it up. So you just start by loading your 3-way. You want that mud even. You don't want it, a bunch of lumps in there. You want it even. Mud this edge, because that goes in behind. Set it in. Well, the motion's always pushing that into the center. I run this edge here, wipe it down, wipe that one down. When you wipe this edge, you want to try to be moving it up into your 3-way. There. Wow, done.
The hand is no good. You want to use the back edge, right?
Yeah, I just use the back of a knife to press it down and wipe her out.
That's just phenomenal. It's not gorgeous, it's phenomenal. My hair's standing on end. It is, my hair's standing on end, I swear to God.